Moving can be a stressful and time-consuming process, especially when it comes to packing up your kitchen. AuthorityMovers, a professional moving company, offers some valuable tips to help make your kitchen packing easier and more efficient. Declutter your kitchen. Before you start packing, go through your kitchen and get rid of any items that you no longer need or use. This will not only make packing easier, but also reduce the number of items you need to move. Plan ahead. Before you start packing, create a list of all the items you have in your kitchen. This will help you determine how many boxes you need and how to pack them properly. Also, decide which items you will pack first, such as the ones you use less frequently or those that can be packed well in advance. Gather packing materials. To properly pack your kitchen items, you will need sturdy boxes in various sizes, packing tape, packing paper, bubble wrap, and markers. Avoid using newspaper to wrap your dishes or glassware, as the ink can rub off and stain your items. Pack dishes carefully. Begin by wrapping each dish separately in packing paper or bubble wrap. Place them vertically in the box, rather than stacking them horizontally, and add crumpled paper or bubble wrap in between each dish to prevent them from touching and potentially breaking. Fill any empty spaces with packing paper to ensure that the contents don't shift during transportation. Wrap glassware and stemware. Wrap each glass or stemware individually in packing paper or bubble wrap, and then place them upright in the box. Be sure to fill any empty spaces with packing paper to prevent them from shifting. Pack pots and pans. Stack pots and pans inside each other with a layer of packing paper or bubble wrap in between to prevent scratches. Use a box that is appropriately sized for the largest pot and fill any empty spaces with packing paper. Label boxes clearly. Mark each box with its contents and the room it belongs in. This will make it easier to unpack and organize your kitchen items in your new home. Consider professional packing services. If you don't have the time or resources to pack your kitchen on your own, consider hiring professional packing services from AuthorityMovers. Our team of experienced movers can handle all aspects of your move, from packing to transportation and unpacking. By following these tips, you can ensure that your kitchen items are packed safely and efficiently for your move. AuthorityMovers, movers who care.